We get more leaks of the Google Pixel 3 that show us new color options along with storage capacity. New additional leaks of iPhones emerge, and it looks like if we're getting the real deal from what we've seen. And it also seems that iPads are about to kill things like the headphone jack in 2018. I'm Jaime Rivera, and for all of you that asked for this show to go on a podcast, it is now live. We have the Pocketnow Daily in a podcast and link in the description. Follow us there. This is Pocketnow Daily, sponsored by NordVPN. The official news today begin with deals. I don't recommend the Google PixelBook, not because it's not gorgeous, it is. It's just an overpriced Chromebook. But if you want a very powerful one on Amazon, it is currently $300 off. It'll end up being $880. Again, it's up to you if you want it, but it's there. It's a great laptop, but that's just about it. Now let's talk about Samsung, as we've heard rumors of the company working on an on-display fingerprint scanner that's going to be ultrasonic, in addition to triple cameras on its Galaxy S line. We've got trusted sources claiming that it's not just coming here. Apparently there is an optical version of that fingerprint scanner that's going to come to its A lineup. And we also hear that this triple camera module might make it to the A lineup as well, so it seems you might not necessarily just need a flagship for this. Stay tuned. Now let's talk about iPads. We've got trusted sources on separate ends showing us things that are both good and bad. On the positive front, we've got a bezel-less iPad that apparently is going to bring Face ID. There is no Touch ID here. That's all great. It seems that also it's going to change in form factor to a certain degree, where the smart connector is no longer going to be on a horizontal side. It's actually going to be at the bottom along with the Lightning port. So it seems that you're going to have to use accessories vertically on this iPad. The thing that I don't like is the separate rumors that show us that this product will not have a headphone jack. What's the excuse, Apple? Like, seriously, imagine a 15-hour flight. There are no headphones in the market that last for 15 hours. What am I going to do with this thing if I can't charge it and I can't listen to my stuff while I watch a movie? Now let's talk about iPhones, as we've got leaked dummy units that show us both the iPhone 9 and the iPhone 10 Plus. In the case of the 10 Plus, it is pretty much just the blown out iPhone 10 with smaller bezels. That's all great. And in the case of the iPhone 9, it's actually positive to see that the bezels are no much bigger than what we currently see on the iPhone 10. And we also see that at the back it is glass with just one camera lens. Now, some of the renders being shown look more like an iPhone 8. And everything just moved around, but we'll see. And finally, the hot news today have to do with the Google Pixel 3, Pixel 3 XL. I am looking forward to these phones. Stay tuned for an After the Buzz of the Google Pixel 2 XL coming soon. What things are coming are polarizing. People don't necessarily like notches. This is probably the largest notch I've ever seen, but there's a purpose. There's also a chin at the bottom, meaning there are stereo speakers coming to this phone. That is awesome. What the cameras are gonna do, I noticed 2 modules is still up for grabs, but other things are storage options. 64 and 128 gigs are now being confirmed. That's great, and it seems that the back is fully glass in addition, but we can't confirm if there is wireless charging or not. In today's question, let us know, what do you think about the rumors, the leaks? Do you like this very white, or I forgot the color white option, but yeah, do you like the design? Do you not like it? Because in my case, you know, notches are everywhere. I'll be fine with it. But leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. We'd also like to ask you to stay till the end for a word from our sponsor that makes this video possible. Yes, we would like to thank NordVPN for sponsoring this video. With security and privacy being a major issue online lately, NordVPN stands out as being one of the most secure solutions in the market. With nearly 4,000 super-fast servers in 62 countries, end-to-end military-grade encryption for up to 6 simultaneous connections, and the fact that it even works flawlessly in China for my travel, NordVPN is definitely a solution I highly recommend. Head on over to nordvpn.com/pocketnow and use promo code POCKETNOW to save up to 77% to get started. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels in English and Spanish for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, or on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.